Guys, this is our March blizzard. Let's go see our parts of the house. Another drift. Some more drifting. That snow that's on there. There's another one. And now here, there's the garage, and oh my, that's a big drift. And it's snowing and blowing everywhere. Stay tuned for more. It's gonna be snowing until 1. And we're gonna go snow blow and maybe snowmobile later. So bye.